assignment was it that it would travel from point A to point B carrying cargo. And so we built it on a loop where it will travel in a straight line following the 2 black lines, because we put 2 line followers on it. And then it'll stop once the line followers detect the white, and then you can like imaginarily add the cargo. Then press the button again and it'll return to the other side, and you can just keep on doing that. It should work where if the limit switch is pressed, all action will stop. We changed our design a few times. At first, we had gears on the wheels, and then they were grinding too much, and then we realized that we needed to figure out how we wanted to do our distance. So then we tried to do the encoder thing, but then we realized why don't we just use our line followers and just like hone in on the using the line followers for it. And so we had a problem with our Cortex and it wasn't working. We spent the entire time on Monday just trying to make it do anything. So we just switched Cortexes now, and we haven't even tried our code, so it probably won't work. I mean, maybe it will, but we like wrote the code like to the best of our ability. So like it probably won't work, but we'll see. Because we haven't even tried it.
So our design was made, instead of using the big block, we used these 2 small ones so we can make it a more compact size. Yeah. And then, as you see right here, we have space for cargo to make it more realistic. We also have, instead of using a gear ratio, we have the motors connected directly to the wheels. And you see they're on a special bracket. And the 2 line followers on the bottom, there's a 1-inch gap, so you always have that 1-inch gap. And the good thing about this, having 2 of them, is we could eventually program this to, like, imagine we remove a black space from here to actually turn the vehicle.
And then another thing I forgot about the LEDs, when the motors are on, the green LED will flash, and then when it's stopped on the end, the yellow should just stay up.
Multicolored. Remember, guys, we've never tested this code.
Yeah, it's very
Oh, okay.
Got a little drift action.
As you can see,
it is turning successfully.
Is detecting more line than the other one.
More black? Actually pretty cool.
More line.
More black?
That is successful.
Try putting it back on the line a little bit better and see if that straightens it out.
Another thing we were had a problem with the line followers is like we think with the shadow of the actual vehicle under it made one line darker, so then it was hard to like find the other.
Now I'm just going insane, so.
It's time to be Michael Jackson. Oh, there you go. Okay, what you doing?
It's take it with it.
Rolling the whole thing. No, he thinks that's his cargo, so he's not taking it.
It's actually more intelligent than you think.
Oh, dude, it stinks. Amber? Yeah, I see that, right? Yeah.
Yeah, okay.